Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to send voice messages on WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I'll tap on this WhatsApp, and now over here I'll tap on one of my messages. And now to send voice message, on the bottom right you'll find this icon of microphone. Tap on this for a while. And now you can just slide up, and now you can record this voice over here. Now you can see it's recording. You can record your message from here. If you want to pause, you can just click on this pause, and now you can see the recording is paused. If you click on this once more, it's recording again. Also, over here you can find this half circle and half dotted one. If you tap on this, and over here you can see voice message set to view once. That means to whom you are sending this message will be able to view this just once. After that, the person won't be able to view this message again. If you don't want this, you can just tap on this, and now you can see green highlight on this half circle, half dotted one is gone. And now to send this, just tap on this, send. So in this simple way, we can send voice messages on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.